you sick of your door not latching correctly? Yeah, it's annoying, so let's get it fixed. As you can see from this marking here, the striker is too low. So we need to raise this up. Go to the bottom hinge and remove all of these screws. Okay, stick a piece of cardboard, maybe two if you need. We're gonna shim this hinge out. Stick the screw into the hole right through the cardboard there. Don't over tighten. Make sure you get all three screws in there. Okay, watch this. Boom, it's done. Your door finally, after 6 months, is latching.